In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Jira backlog into Excel. If you're managing tasks in Jira and want to analyze or share them in a spreadsheet, exporting to Excel is a quick way to do it. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, keeping it simple and clear so you can follow along. First, head over to Atlassian.com. This is where you access Jira and related tools. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up. Creating an account is straightforward and only takes a moment. If you're already set up, just sign in as usual. You'll need access to the project where your backlog lives. Once you're in, go to your Scrum project. This is the space where your team's work is organized. Inside the project, look for the navigation menu on the left and click Backlog. The backlog view shows all your upcoming work, including stories, tasks, and bugs that haven't been started yet. It's a great place to select exactly what you want to export. Next, click the specific backlog item you want to export to Excel. This opens a details panel on the right side of your screen. In this panel, you'll see fields like summary, description, assignee, and status. These are the details that will be included in your export, depending on your selections in the next step. In the top right corner of that right side panel, click the three-dot icon to open more options. This menu includes various actions for the item you selected. A drop-down menu will appear, and you may need to scroll down to find the option you're looking for. From that drop-down, click Export Excel. The wording can vary slightly depending on your Jira plan and configuration, but look for the option that mentions Excel. If you don't immediately see it, scrolling is key as it's often listed toward the bottom of the menu. A pop-up will appear asking what you want to include in the export. This helps you control which fields or details get pulled into the spreadsheet. Click the checkbox to include the information you want in your export. If you're unsure, you can start with the default selection and refine it later. When you're ready, click Export. Your browser will download the file, usually as an Excel-friendly format, so you can open it in your spreadsheet tool and work with the data as needed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides just like this one.